Hi guys, so I'm doing a giveaway. My plants that I don't need. So this plant is pretty trash. 46k only. But it says 98. I don't know why. Here's proof though. See? 49 DP. 49k DPS. Pero sabi 98k DPS. And those are this Ruby Mr. Carrot that actually does 1 damage. Okay. And just look at this. If you want to pause, you can pause. I'll do a giveaway. Just say your usernames in the chat, in the comments.